What is up, everybody? My name is R Gardiner, and as a serial entrepreneur and digital nomad, one of the questions I get asked the most is, where do you stay when you travel, how much does it cost, and how do you manage your work while traveling? So in today's video, I'm going to help to answer a few of those questions. So to start out, I am currently in Phuket, Thailand. I have been here for about 2 months now, and just yesterday I moved from living on the beach in a rather secluded area to a bit more of a city, just so I can get easier access to restaurants as well as grocery stores. So right now, with the lack of tourism in Thailand and just really everywhere with the coronavirus, it is quite easy to get good deals. Currently, I am renting this apartment for about $17 a night and spending about $2 a day on a scooter. So you figure roughly around $20 a day for all my transportation and my housing, which is quite amazing when you think about it. You of course can get a bit cheaper in Thailand, especially if you're willing to sign a 6-month or 1-year contract. However, I prefer just to do Airbnb month to month, as it allows me flexibility to move around as I please. So what do I look for in an Airbnb or apartment as a digital nomad who relies very heavily on a good workspace to have a prosperous business? So number one is Wi-Fi. And this place has ridiculously fast Wi-Fi. Whenever I'm inquiring on Airbnb about a place, I always ask them to send me a speed test so I can see exactly how fast the internet is. And this place has like 80 Mbps download, and I think it was like 60 upload. It's amazing. And I also look for a nice work desk, because when you're spending 6-7 hours a day working, you really don't want to be damaging your back, and I tend to do this quite a lot when I get places that I have a desk I can't actually work with. Actually, the desk that's holding my camera up right now, I don't fit under it because I'm about 6'6", and in Asia, people are not that tall, but luckily I can use the kitchen table to work with. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick tour of the apartment and also show you how I set up my workstation and how it's very lightweight and it does everything I need it to do. So to start off, here's the entryway, and there's some cabinets here. One thing I love about Asian homes is taking shoes off and leaving them in a cubby. It just keeps everything so nice and clean. And as you can see, the natural light in here is amazing. I don't even have any of the lights on right now. You have a little couch that folds into a bed, little table, and a TV, which I don't actually know if it works yet. There's a bed, which is nothing crazy, just very nice. Proper closet, hello. A desk my legs don't fit under. You have a little reading desk, and actually not too bad of a view. I was supposed to get a first floor apartment, but they upgraded me to floor 7. The water's not too green, but it's really not bad, and I love all this natural sunlight. So coming over here to the kitchen. The kitchen has a slider which can be closed in order to keep like the smell of cooking out of the living room, which is quite nice. Has a full refrigerator, has a kitchen with burners and a microwave, a little place to hang your laundry, a laundry machine, all of the things you may need to cook with, and actually quite a nice bathroom, a Western bath. It has a nice sink, a separated shower. Normally it's a wet bath in Asia, which I prefer when I get separated. Another thing I found interesting is it has this slider which you can close the bedroom with, even though it's see-through, but I think that's primarily to conserve air conditioning. And now getting into my work desk setup. So this is actually the kitchen counter, however, it's the only thing here my legs will fit under, so I'm using it as a desk currently. And a few things that I always bring with me for my work. So to start off, I always bring this adapter. It allows me to plug in 2 USBs or any type of plug, as it works with any country's plug. And I got this on AliExpress for about $2. Highly recommend it. And currently I'm just using this to charge my phone, my mouse, and plug in my laptop. I have a Bluetooth mouse that I use for my work, and I got that on AliExpress for about $5 as well, nothing fancy. A 10x Grant Cardone mouse pad, which I bought at 10x Con, which I find funny. I'm not fancy, I don't use AirPods, I actually use wired Apple headphones. I have a little Logitech webcam here, I have a book which I can just write down my thoughts, to-do lists, whatever I want. And I also have a 1 terabyte hard drive. The computer I'm using is a Lenovo Legion Y530, which is a gaming computer. Although I don't play games, I like to buy gaming computers that can handle all of really anything I might need, and very fast as well. And on the screen you can see that's the gym. Currently the gym's closed for the building, but it has a really nice gym and a nice pool. Just with coronavirus and government regulation, none of it is currently open. So as you can see, the actual amount of equipment I have for my work really is very lightweight, just headphones, a mouse, my computer, webcam, and a book. It really doesn't take too much to run my business remotely as far as actual hardware and things I need, which is one of the things I love about it so much. It's very lightweight, and I can bring it with me everywhere I go, which is something that it's very important to me. And I really like that I can just keep all of my work in my backpack, go to a coffee shop, go to a new country, really go anywhere I like. I hope for those of you that are considering becoming a digital nomad or just traveling a little bit more, that you really don't need to worry too much about bringing your work with you, especially if you have good systems in place. The actual hardware you need to bring should not be too much. And especially if you're traveling in Asia, it's really not too expensive and you can have great amenities at a really good cost. I hope this apartment has showcased that a little bit and that you enjoyed seeing where I work and really how simple my work setup is. As I know sometimes when you're just getting into things, it's easy to overcomplicate and just worry too much about things that really don't matter too much. If you have good internet, a place to sit, a nice computer, that's really all you need for digital nomad lifestyle. It's just about getting started on whatever venture you want to work with. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tour and also a little showcase of my workspace. I'll be uploading videos 2 to 3 times per week, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe and also leave a like if you like this video, and feel free to comment any video suggestions down in the comments. Have a great day.